are pleased to show you the 2020 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, power windows, electronic stability control, trip computer, rear window defroster, tachometer, panic alarm, brake assist, remote keyless entry, overhead console, power driver's seat, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats. Come take a test drive today.